Hey everybody, it's Ranger Dan. Alright, we've got the truck situation handled. Now we're going back to the bus. As you know, the doors were taken off and redone. If you're new to the channel, this is my bus camper. We got it from a local farm. Gutted all the seats out of it, made a camper out of it. My wife used it for about 5 years. Now we're redoing it. There are some things that need to be fixed. For example, the floor back here, where the doors were all rotted. They rotted there, and rotted there. So our project is to get that floor done. We've been ripping it up. I'll show a bunch of video of that. I'll have it all fast forwarded, so you won't hear what I'm saying as I'm going, but it'll all be in fast forward, so you guys don't have to put up with all that crap. We'll get this done, and then we'll cut down the bed, make it shorter, put it where she wants it, and then we'll move on to the walls. The inside walls, not the outside walls. I got to get those done before I can do the rest of the floor, finish the floor. So we'll do that, and we'll just keep you on the adventure of a lifetime, or should I say, misadventure of a lifetime. This is not a how-to channel. This is how I did it. So it's probably wrong, so don't follow my instructions. Don't follow my anything. Except my page. You can click like and subscribe. It's right here. Like and subscribe. Just click on that little bell. You'll get notifications when something new comes out. All right. I am going to get to work. So talk to you in a bit. All right, this is the undercarriage underneath the wheelchair left. This is under the lift. This is all the way to the back of the bus. And yeah, so all that's cut out. I've got to clean it a little bit more and spray it. This is the center of the bus, undercarriage. And I will be putting a tow hitch in here. It seems like, when I look at this, it looks like there might have been a tow hitch in here once before, and they took it out or something. I don't know. But this is the undercarriage. And of course, so you can kind of get an idea of where we're at. You've seen all this before. Yeah. And up from there, and And this thing was crazy dirty underneath. Let me show you this. Let me get the right angle for you. This was on a farm doing farm tours. If anybody has ever been to Fair Oaks, Indiana, where they take the buses and they go to the milking cow thing, so they went down some gravel roads for years. And this whole frame is just that deep with dirt. I think if I take and crawl underneath here and scrape all this out, I could probably take about 1,000 pounds off. But yeah, it's crazy. I want to build a door. I want to get some doors to put along here, and then I want to build this in, box all this in, so I can have storage all underneath here. I mean, there's a lot of empty space just hanging right there that I think I can use. And it is on both sides. This side, not as much, because this is the exhaust pipe. So it wouldn't be able to come over as far, but I think I can still do it. And then that's the fuel tank. So I've got all this area too that I could use for something. This board yet here has to come out. It's rotted. But the way they put these boards in, I don't understand. I mean, it's they're in there. They're glued and nailed and screwed, and yeah. So anyway, if I don't find the other footage that I did up above, maybe I should get in the light so you can see me. There you go. Can't find the other footage. I'm going to make this a short video just so I get something out. Next video, we will finish this floor if it kills me. So that's the plan. And we'll keep to it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with me. I've got a whole 71 subscribers. I need 500 to make any money. So if you could pass it on to your family and friends to, hey, watch this stupid video. Watch this idiot. I would appreciate it. If you could not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Until then, be good to yourself and each other. God bless you.